Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Paki Diva. So today I'm going to be doing this glowing makeup look with Pop of Blue mascara, and it's very glowing for this summer season. You can totally rock this look. You can wear this look to any function, and it's very appropriate for this summer season. You cannot go wrong with this look. So let's just dive into the video. So first thing first, I'm just gonna taking a primer. I'm going to be using L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. It's a very smoothing primer. First I'm just gonna applying it on my pore area where I have open pores. I'm just going to fill this into my pore area first. Then I'm just gonna be applying it all over my face and blending it really well. Next I'm gonna be taking Revlon Photo Ready Illuminating Liquid Highlighter and L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. I would link all the shades and all the details in the description box about the product. You can go and check that out. And I'm just gonna mix all both of them together to get the glowy makeup and to get the glowy base of this look. So I'm just gonna dotting it all over my face, and also I'm just gonna dotting it on my neck as well. Then I'm gonna taking the Morphe M439 brush. It's a very good brush to blending my foundation. I really like this brush to the bits, and I'm just gonna blending my foundation really well with this brush. Just blend my foundation really quickly. As you can see, I'm also blending my foundation on my neck as well. Next I'm gonna taking LA Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Natural, and I'm just gonna applying it under my eye area, bridge of my nose, around my nose area, around my mouth, and on my forehead, and also on bridge of my nose and on whole of my cheeks, and gonna blend this out really well with using the same Morphe brush. And next, to set my face, I'm just gonna be taking L'Oreal Matte Magic in the shade G2 to set my face. And I'm just gonna taking a brush and setting my eye area first, then just gonna buff this out all over my face. Then I'm just gonna taking Makeup Revolution Iconic Brush Highlighter Contouring Palette. Then I'm just gonna be taking the contour shade from the palette. I'm just gonna put this on whole of my cheeks and making the fish face so that I get perfect contouring shape, and also gonna applying it on my jaw of my line, and also I'm just gonna contouring my forehead as well, and that nose as well. Then I'm gonna be taking the blush from the same palette. I'm just gonna applying it with using Morphe R4 brush on my cheeks, and it gives me a very nice pinkish color. Then I'm gonna be taking the highlighting from the same palette as well. I'm just gonna be applying it on my high cheekbones with the Morphe fan brush, as you can see, and also I'm gonna be applying it on bridge of my nose, on my chin, on my forehead, and cupid bow as well. Then I'm gonna be taking a spoolie, and I'm just gonna be comb through my brows, and I'm just gonna fill this brown shade from the Maybelline Nudes palette into my brows. First I'm just gonna be lining a line on the lower and upper part of my brows, like making an outline for my brows. Then I'm just gonna be filling it in with using the same brown shade, and I'm using the short stroke so that it will just fill my brows really well. So this is how my brows looks like after filling it in. Then I'm just gonna be taking the same shadow palette, that is Maybelline the News palette. I'm just gonna be taking this top shade from the palette. I'm just gonna put this into my crease and making it as a transition shade for my eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna be blending it with using Zoeva blending brush. And then I'm gonna taking this gray toppy shade from the palette. I'm just gonna be applying it on outer V area. This time I make sure that I will stay just below of my crease. And then I'm gonna be taking the brown shade from the palette. I'm just gonna be taking the brown shade with a most precise brush, and I'm just gonna be applying it on my outer V of the eye, and I'm just gonna blending it really well. Then I'm gonna be taking this beige color from the palette. I'm just gonna applying it on my moving eyelid, and it will work as a base color for the blue eyeliner. And I'm just gonna layering it up to get the maximum intensity of the shade. Then I'm gonna be taking the clean blending brush. I'm just gonna be blending all the colors really well, and so that there's no any harsh line. Then I'm gonna again taking the taupish shade and applying it on my lower lash line with using pencil brush from the Zoeva, and blending it really well. And then I'm gonna taking the brown shade on the flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna applying it on my lower lash line and just blending it really well. Then I'm gonna be taking this highlighting shade from the palette. I'm just gonna put this into my inner corner of my eyes and also on my brow bone to highlighting it a bit more. And then I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Eyeliner in the shade blue, and I'm just gonna be lining my upper lash line with using this eyeliner. And this time I will not make any wing or anything. I'll just lining my upper lash line with using it. Then I'm gonna taking eyelash curler, and then I'm just gonna be up curling my eyelashes to prep for the mascara. And then I'm gonna be taking the star of the show, that is a Lakme Iconic mascara in the shade blue, maybe some royal blue, something like that. And I'm just gonna coating my both eyelashes using it. And this mascara is just really good, and it just make my eyelashes very pop. And the blue color of this is very vibrant and very good for this season, and this will look good. As you can see on my eyelashes, a very close look of my eyelashes, it's very good. It just coated my each and every eyelashes. Then I'm gonna setting my face with using Eva Halal face mist. I'm just gonna take a shower in it, and I'm just gonna fanning myself and wait for to this dry up. And then I'm gonna taking this Maybelline lip color. It's from the range color Sensational Pink colored, and it's in the shade Power 2, and I'm gonna applying it on my lips. It's very vibrant shade, but it is not giving that vibrant color on the camera. So this is the first lip option that you can wear. It's a very bright pink shade, and I like how this look turned out, and it's very glowy. It's very appropriate for the summer look, and if you wanna have that summery glowy makeup, then you can just do this makeup. Now let's go to the second lip option of this look. And for the second lip option, I'm gonna be using the Lakme 9 to 5 lip and cheek lip color. It's in the shade Blush Velvet. It's a very nude color for me. I really love this color, and it's a Blush Velvet. If you don't want to go for that bright lip option, then you can totally go with this kind of lip option. The second lip option for this look. So this is pretty much about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. You can also click on that subscribe and that little bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on all my social media. I will link them down below so that you can go and check that out. I will also link all my previous video in the description box. You can go and check that out, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.